Hey guys, so here is a quick and easy way on how you can earn that ZeroLend airdrop. ZeroLend is one of the biggest lending protocols on Ethereum layer 2's. ZeroLend protocol raised around $3 million and it is valued at $30 million. So here's a quick tutorial on how to farm the airdrop. So I don't know why nobody told me about this or how I didn't know about this, but there is this ZeroLend airdrop website where you can basically farm points, and doesn't take much time, like 5 to 10 minutes daily to do these tasks and earn points. And first of all, if you sign up with the referral link, you will earn 20% bonus points. So this means if you earn 100 points, you will get 120 points. If you earn 1000 points, you will get 1200 points. And if you want to, you can sign up with my referral code and you will get the 20% bonus. If you don't want to, you don't have to, but this is, I think, good opportunity. So I have my referral link in the description. But overall, this is really a easy and cool farming website. So one of the tasks is join the Discord. You will earn 100 points. Say GM in Discord every day, you will earn 10 points if you say GM in their Discord. Supply collateral to the lending market, borrow assets from the lending market. And there is a quest for pit stakers. Unfortunately, I missed this, but there are many upcoming quests. For example, follow us on Twitter. Are you an Aave user staker? So you basically stake some Aave and you will be able to verify and get some points. So I like these dedicated websites where you can basically scroll through and you see your progress, what you have done. This is really easy and maybe you didn't know about it. So here it is. The website is airdrop.zerolend.xyz. And if you don't want to miss any new opportunities and any alpha, press the subscribe button, press the notification button. So every time I upload, you get that notification instantly and you don't miss on valuable alpha. And yeah, basically, thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you in the next video.